In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a Zoom meeting as a participant. This walkthrough focuses on the Zoom desktop app for Windows and Mac, and it's designed to help you record clearly and responsibly, even if you're not the host. First, join the Zoom meeting as you normally would. Make sure you're using the desktop client, since the option we'll use appears there. If the toolbar isn't visible after you join, move your mouse, and it should appear along the bottom of the window. It helps to close unnecessary apps so your computer has enough resources for a smooth recording. Next, ask the host for recording permission. Participants can't record unless the host enables it, so a quick, polite request is essential. You can ask in the chat or verbally at the start of the meeting. This step isn't just technical, it's also about consent and meeting etiquette. In many organizations, recording is controlled for privacy and compliance. Once the host grants permission, you may see a brief notification, and the record button on your toolbar will become clickable. When the record button is enabled, click Record on the Zoom toolbar. If you don't see it immediately, expand the More menu on the toolbar, and it should be there. You'll know it's working when you see a recording indicator in the corner of your Zoom window. Everyone in the meeting will typically see a recording notice, which keeps things transparent. Now choose Record on this computer. As a participant, you'll be saving a local copy to your machine. Cloud recording is managed by the host, so local recording is the standard option here. After you select it, Zoom will continue recording your audio, video, and shared screens according to the meeting's settings. Speak clearly, minimize background noise, and avoid switching devices mid-meeting to keep the recording consistent. When you're finished, click Stop Recording. If you just need a short break during the meeting, you can pause and resume, but when you're completely done, use Stop to finalize it. After the meeting ends or you leave, Zoom will automatically process and save the file to your computer. Let the conversion finish before closing the app. By default, recordings are stored in your Zoom folder, organized by meeting name and date, making them easy to find later. If the record button remains grayed out, it means the host hasn't enabled permission yet. In that case, ask again, or request that the host record and share the file afterward. And as a best practice, ensure your device has sufficient storage and a stable power source before recording. That's all you need to record a Zoom meeting as a participant confidently and respectfully.